Okay, so today what we're covering is looking for contextual clues, right? And contextual clues are clues that we can find in the passage that help us guess what the answers for the blanks are supposed to be, just by looking at the surrounding words around the blank and like the surrounding phrases and sentences as well. All right, so that's what we're learning today. Let's go ahead and let's get it. Let's have a look. So first, let's begin with grammar close so we can answer your question. Um, I think you got most of this one correct. In fact, the online record shows you got everything correct for the first exercise. But just in case, all right, let's go through the answers and let's see what's happening over here. I think the one where there was a bit of a weird thing was actually the question 3 for the next exercise, I believe.
That's why. That's what I showed you just now.
Okay, we'll have a look at it in a bit. So over here, treasure hunt is a game for players to find hidden objects. The game can be played outdoors or indoors. When the treasure hunt is played indoors, the clues are usually hidden. What a specific room. So for this one, it must be in a specific room,
In.
right? Because we always say in a room, we don't say anything else. All right. One of my favorite games is the pirate treasure hunt. Players are sent what a mission. Over here, people always say you are sent on a mission, right? Kind of like if you are like a soldier and you're sent on a mission. To guess where the treasure is hidden, blank a series of clues. So you can guess where the treasure is hidden. Okay. Um, Sent on a mission to guess where the treasure is hidden. Mm, from a series. So you can guess it from the clues over here, right? From a series of clues. So we've used A, we've used E, we've used F. They may look what the door under the bed. So you can't look, normally people don't look under the door, right? So we can say we look behind the door. I mean, sometimes it could be under the door, I guess, if the door is like quite high above the floor, and there's a bit of a leeway there. I guess you can look under the door, but normally we don't. We look under the bed and behind the door. So you got all of this correct. So that's good. These are like 4 points each. So Scott, you have
Whoa!
not 4 points each, sorry. I mean 1 point each, so you
Let's
have
see
four
how
points.
much points I have.
318.
318.
Yes,
That means I'm top.
you actually have the most points among all the students here. Very good. Okay, moving on. Next. So these are your answers. Okay, this is the next one. I think you got them all correct as well, but just in case, let's double check.
Yeah.
Um, Recently, there seemed to be a misunderstanding among the people in the town. People seem to care less about others. This made the wise man very unhappy.
What's
I must do
wise?
something wise. Wise is used to describe someone who is smart and makes decisions, right, that help people in the future. So it's very difficult being a wise person. You know why? Because
What?
every decision you make now, you don't know whether it will help people in the future or not. So it's very hard to actually say whether someone is wise or not until the future. Then when people look back and then they'll be like, oh, the person is a wise man. But when the person was making the decision, no one knows whether that person is making the correct decision or not. Yeah. So say for example, right? Say for example, Lee Kuan Yew, right? Lee Kuan Yew originally wanted Singapore to join the Federation of Malaysia in the past. Yeah. But Malaysia actually gave him a lot of conditions. You must do this, 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 and then they were not very welcoming. And in the end, Lee Kuan Yew, after having a meeting with all his close friends, right, during that time, he decided that for Singapore, it's not a good decision to merge with Malaysia, and so he decided to have Singapore declare independence. Now, at that point in time, no one knew whether Lee Kuan Yew was wise or not, right? Some people even scolded him and said, oh, you are going to be the ruin of us. If we don't join Malaysia, where are we going to get all the important things that we need, all the resources? Singapore doesn't even have clean water, you know? And then we are going to depend on Malaysia for everything. In the end, we will all die. We're just a small island. So during that time, right, people called Lee Kuan Yew a fool. People said, Lee Kuan Yew, right, you're harming all of us. You're a bad leader. You're a horrible person, that kind of thing. No one called Lee Kuan Yew wise. No one knew whether the decision he made was good or not. But today, only now, when we look back, right, on his decision to do that, and Singapore is such a wealthy country now. We are the second richest country in the world, by the way, right? Per GDP, by the way. Number one is Luxembourg, right? And Luxembourg is in the middle of like Europe, like in the like squish between countries. So Singapore is the second richest country in the world currently in terms
Oh,
of
Singapore is in the second richest country.
in terms of the money that we have in reserve. Yeah, in terms of the money that we have, that's a whole different topic. But anyway, then now we look back, then we say, oh, Lee Kuan Yew was a wise man. Yeah, but when you make a decision now, can people tell whether you're a wise man or not? They can't. It's only when they look back and then a lot of people realize, oh, after you made this decision, right? You help everyone to become better. You help the country to become better. You help
Did you
society
know?
better.
Did you know, right? Actually,
Huh?
right?
Mm.
My father still owe me 1 cent.
Ah, there's no such thing as 1 cent anymore in Singapore. The smallest is 5 cents.
I want my 1 cent.
You have 1 cent coin. It's very hard to find these days.
My brother have it, but I want my 1 cent. Because, right, my father gave me $5 to spend on anything, but the budget is $5. So, right, I spend it on a Pokemon card, just one Pokemon card with 5 cards. And then, right,
What do you mean
it
by
costs,
Pokemon card with 5 cards? You mean one Pokemon pack with 5 cards?
yeah,
Okay.
and then it costs,
$4.99.
no, $3.99. He already gave me the $1, but I still want my 1 cent.
Your dad doesn't have 1 cent to give you, Scott. It's no longer a thing. It used to be a thing in the past, but Singapore doesn't have 1 cent in circulation anymore. Okay, let's continue, okay? So that's what a wise man is basically. People only call others a wise man, okay? No one who is truly wise will go around boasting that they are wise. Okay, think about that. Because you know what happens if you go around telling people that you're wise? Do you know what will happen?
No.
In the future, people might come back and people might beat you because you don't know whether your decision is wise or not. Then in the future, right, if it turns out your decision was a bad decision, people are going to come back and beat you. So you can't call yourself a wise man. Only other people can call you a wise man. Right, so over here, question. Scott, where are you? Can you sit properly, please? Upright on your chair, not like a
I
worm.
still want my 1 cent.
Okay. So I must do something about it, he said to himself over here, because we know he's a man, right? So he said it to himself. All right, he said to himself. Okay, in the following town meeting, the wise man brought a bundle of sticks and spoke about strength in unity. Blank must look out for one another. So over here, the answer is F. Can you explain, Scott? If you can explain, you get extra marks, huh? The answer here is we. Why must we use the word we?
Why must we use we?
Which
I
part of
need
the
to
passage
think
comes
about
up?
it. I
Like
need to think about it.
Okay, let me just show you an example. For question number 1, right? Look, the word he here gives me the clue that my answer for number 1 must be himself. Yeah? And also,
Okay, I need to think about it.
okay, there can be a few explanations for this, depending on whether so you don't always need to look for the answer.
Maybe look out for one another.
Correct. Very good. So that's one of the clues here. So one another, right, means it's more than one person. So he's talking to more than one person. Plus, the wise man is one of them as well. He's not someone from outside, right? So
Yeah.
he won't say you, right? He won't say you must look. He will say we, because the wise man is one of the townsfolk here. Very good. That's an additional bonus point for you, Scott. Next, the people understood the message and hung their heads low. Can you explain why the answer here is their? So far we've used B and we've used F and now we've used C. Why is it their?
I need to think.
Points. What's the clue here?
The people.
Yes, it is the people, so it's more than one. So that's part of the clue over here. But why is it their? Why isn't it like our? Or why isn't it we? Why is it their?
Because it's we promise not to let unimportant matters affect.
You don't need to read so far actually. You can just say it's their because heads over here, right? These heads here belong to them.
Oh yeah.
Heads belong to them, so they must say their because their is a possessive pronoun, right? To show that someone owns something. So that's why it's their here. Okay? I'll give you the bonus mark for this one. Don't worry. Next, we promise not to let unimportant matters affect our. So the answer here is E, our relationships again. All right. Why is it our?
But wait, I need to think.
Yeah, you can think slowly. Don't need to rush.
Okay, I got it.
Yes, explain please.
Because if they sit together, it's together.
Okay, so they actually said it together.
Yes.
Okay, and that's why they use our. And plus, what else? The relationships belong to them. So relationships belong to them, so they own those relationships among each other as well. Okay, good. So for this one, it's 4 points and 3 more bonus points for explaining it to me correctly.
I want to see how much points I got.
So this is 4 plus 3. So
I
you
might try to get
have 3
maybe
to 5 points.
1,000
1,000. What 1,000? 1,000 points?
points.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of points.
Because, right,
Mhm.
with that, right, I can buy a whole Pokemon claw machine that costs $100 and something dollars.
Oh my goodness. Then you can pick however much Pokemon you want from the claw machine. Okay. Next, now this third exercise, I believe, is the one that you had a bit of like, was this the one that there was something that you didn't agree with?
Yeah.
This is the one. Okay.